In this video we're going to be showing you how to import LUTs directly onto your Sony A6700 and showing you exactly what they do. Now if you're getting any type of error message, we're also going to be helping you out with this and showing you how to get around it. So let's jump straight into it. Now before I show you how to import them LUTs, it's very important that you watch this whole video because there's some misconceptions about importing LUTs onto your Sony cameras, and by missing out certain parts in this video you're only going to be hindering yourself later on. But anyway, let's jump straight into it with how to import LUTs onto your Sony A6700. The first thing we're going to do is plug in the camera to our PC or laptop, turn on the camera, then select Image Transfer MSC on the back of the camera. Now head over onto your PC and you're going to copy your LUT. Then you're going to head on down to where your camera's storage location is on your computer. On my PC it's USB drive F, but it could be a different location on your PC or laptop. Go to folder private, then folder Sony, then folder Pro, then folder LUT, and paste your LUT into this folder. You can now switch off your camera and disconnect it from the PC, and now our LUT is stored on our SD card within inside the camera. So our LUT now is on our SD card, but we have to import it onto one of the user profiles within inside the camera. So let's do that right now. First press menu, head on down to the light pink tab, which is exposure and color, then color and tone, and then manage user LUTs. Select import edit, and here's all our user profiles. As you can see, we've got no LUTs imported at present. I'll be applying one to user profile 1. Press on the center button and this will load all the LUTs up that are on the SD card. Select the LUT that you want to import and click OK, and the LUT will be imported. If you're getting an error message that says that your LUT cannot be loaded, this is almost certainly down to the fact that your LUT is 65 point and the Sony cameras can only take LUTs that are 33 point. Now what's the difference between a 33 point LUT and a 65 point LUT? And that is a very good question. I've been trying to research what the difference is and how you can tell the difference, and I'm still none the wiser. So if you know the difference between a 33 point LUT and a 65 point LUT, please comment below what the difference is. Now the problem we have is that our Sony A6700 is only capable of handling 33 point LUTs, and the majority of LUTs on the market or out there at the moment that are available for download are 65 point LUTs. And the only way of telling if you've got a 33 point LUT or a 65 point LUT is trying to load it into your Sony camera, and if it doesn't load then it's a 65 point LUT. If it does load then you're all good, that's a 33 point LUT. Now if that's confused you, don't worry, it also confused the hell out of me. I'll be supplying a completely free 33 point LUT for anybody that requires one. It'll be in the pinned comment below. Just be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. So we've imported our LUT to user profile 1. Now let's make sure that we turn it on and it's working correctly. Press the menu button again, head down to your second tab and main 2. Go to the right and you're going to select log shooting settings. Press your center button and now you're going to change this from off to on. Come out of this menu again and you're going to head back to your light pink tab, which is exposure and color. Head down to color tone and then select LUT, and here you're going to go down to user 1 where we imported our LUTs earlier on. Press the middle button and then head out of your menu and you're all set to go. So we popped outside with a camera and we're in user profile 1 with the LUT applied at the minute. If we change our user profile to say user profile 2, it will show you that the LUT is not being applied. And because we're using a flat or log profile, you can see it's very washed out with no contrast. And then as soon as we change it back to user profile 1 with our LUT applied, it looks so much better. So you now know how to import LUTs onto your Sony A6700. You've also learnt that you need 33 point LUTs and not 65 point LUTs. But you still have to learn one last thing, and that is the biggest misconception of installing or importing LUTs onto your Sony camera, and that is that they don't actually bake your LUT into your video file. Yep, you heard that correct. Even though you've imported your LUT onto your camera, once you've exported your video onto a PC or laptop, you will still find that it's a flat or log profile. This is because this is a non-destructive way of previewing your LUT over your video file. So you might be wondering, what is the point of importing LUTs onto your Sony camera? Well, if you record in a log profile, they help you preview what the final footage is going to look like after editing. They can also aid you with your exposure and set your other parameters. One other misconception is, if you turn on embed LUT in your menu system, this will bake the file into your video settings. This is actually incorrect. This just adds the LUT information into the metadata of your video file. So there you have it, how to import LUTs onto your Sony A6700 and what they're used for. I think I covered everything. If I did miss anything, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, remember to get your free 33-point LUT in the comment section below. If you've got anything at all from this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Say hi in the comments below. If you have any questions as well, put them in the comments below. And if you want to see further A6700 videos from myself, hit that subscribe button. But for now, that's it. We'll catch up in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you soon.